Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to view your WordPress activity log in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned site owner, tracking your site's activity is essential for security, monitoring changes, and keeping your website running smoothly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Most sites have a login button clearly visible, usually at the top right corner. Click it and enter your credentials. For a faster and secure option, you can log in using your Google account. Just select Continue with Google, pick the account you want to use, and you'll be taken straight to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the Jetpack section. Jetpack is a powerful plugin that enhances WordPress with features like automated backups, security tools, and performance improvements. Inside Jetpack, look for the Activity Log option. The Activity Log gives you a detailed record of everything happening on your site: post updates, plugin installations, configuration changes, and even login activities. Each entry is neatly organized with date and timestamps, making it easy to track changes or diagnose any issues. This is particularly useful for confirming updates, spotting errors, or simply staying informed about your website's health. By regularly checking your activity log, you gain complete transparency and control over your site. It's a simple habit that helps ensure your WordPress site stays secure, updated, and functioning perfectly. And that's it. With these steps, you now have a full view of your WordPress activity log and can monitor every key event on your website with confidence. Keep an eye on your activity log, stay informed, and enjoy a safer, smoother WordPress experience.